Hi, this is Paul, founder of PATools. I'm going to give a quick overview of PATools XL Toolbox. The software is run from these items here and a toolbar with certain of the items here and a ribbon here with exactly the same items on it. So if we look first of all at shortcuts, this enables you to declutter your desktop by creating shortcuts to files and folders and grouping them in an orderly way over here. And they can be in different places all over your network, wherever you wish. And you open one up by double clicking on it, and that opens that file. The next one we're going to look at is send by email, which enables you to send an extract of a workbook very quickly and easily. So maybe we want to hide that and send just the top 10 products to our manager. So we go send by email, the current range, there's a PDF file called order sheet like that, attached to a new email, and we go run, and it will create for us an email ready to be addressed with this on it and the order sheet attached, just those top 10 products on. And you can obviously edit the email and so on before you hit send. So that's send by email. Printing setup. Now if we go and we just close that one down and we'll go to shortcuts and we're going to have a look at this file here. Now, have you ever received a big spreadsheet like this and you go and hit print and it comes out on multiple pages like that with just numbers, and it's not very helpful to read? So if you use our printing setup here, we can set up and fit multiple pages. We click on that. We can make it landscape because I can see it needs to be landscape, and if it's more than one page we're going to need the same rows at the top of each page, which might be rows 1 to 3, like that. And do close, and now if we print it you'll find it comes out landscape, page 1 of 2 up there, a nice footer at the bottom with the file name, tab name and the date and time stamp, and there it is on 2 pages. So that's a very handy way of making a very neat printing. Right, we now move on to Range Manager. Range Manager basically enables you to work on a range of cells, gives you a whole range of information here, and over on the right here there's a lot of different tools. You can clear cells with errors, cells with zeros, cells with numbers, with formulas. There's a whole range of different tools here that you can use. Advanced Replace. Now this is just like regular search and replace, except if you click on there you can now use search for question marks and replace them with something else, or some of these other characters, line feed characters, form feed and so on. Or you can use it as just regular search and replace. You can search in the current workbook, in various open workbooks, and even create a list of closed workbooks in a folder somewhere, search throughout those. Data Toolkit is a suite of tools that essentially runs down a column of data and does various things for you. So what to do on cells, stop and show me, cells that value is less than let's say 300, we'll run and it finds the cells, and there we are, there were 2 matched. Data Analyzer is very powerful for checking your data, your spreadsheets. So here we've got a spreadsheet which has got a deliberate error on it. If you look here you can see the total of this column is clearly not 280. Somebody has overwritten the formula with a number. If we use the Data Analyzer, just do run, it's going to create for us a copy of the spreadsheet here, and it's coloured it in. Yellow is text and blank, blue is numbers and green is formulas. So you can see straight away that there's a number in here where there should be a formula. Because it's a copy tab, your original tab's left unchanged, so you can just go and delete that sheet, go and fix the other one, copying this formula across like that, and that looks better. Data Copier we won't go into in detail here, but this is very powerful for getting data from multiple spreadsheets and workbooks all into one place, into one sheet or into one workbook. Merge Suite is for very powerful and very simple mail merging, and you can see that in other videos. Easy Word Merge enables you to mail merge into a Microsoft Word template. Label Merge enables you to create templates like this. You can create a template of a certain number of rows and columns, and then you can merge your data into it and create labels. File Manager we'll come on to. Here we've got a formula that uses information from over here to create a file path, and then this one adds sales and this one adds purchases. So we can then copy that down, and using the power of Excel formulas we've now got 36 folders here ready to set up. Go File Manager, create folders, run, and it's run through those, coloured them all in green for us, 36 passed. And if we were to go and have a look now, we will find that it's created demo folders 2022, and here they all are, January, with sales and purchases inside. Similarly, if we go and have a look at that, we come back here and we want to delete them. Well, I only need to delete these because these are subsidiary folders. File Manager, delete files and folders, run, yes, yes to all, and it's coloured them green, 12 passed, and if we go back and have a look, those folders have now all disappeared. File Lister is useful. If we run that on this folder, it analyses the folder for us into a nice little Excel database with hyperlinks to the files and the folders, tells you what's in them, and there's an analysis here as well in the pivot table, so you can see most of them are Microsoft Excel worksheets. 2% a Word document in those two files, so it gives a whole analysis there. So we'll close that one down. Text editor, that's quite useful if you work with flat files, CSV files and so on. You might want to get this data nice and neatly into Microsoft Word. So if we do, for example, copy, and then text editor, paste from clipboard, and we're going to go and replace the tab characters with commas, comma and space, place, copy to clipboard and close. And now if we were to paste that into Microsoft Word or Notepad or something, that's nice, neatly arranged with commas and spaces. So that has given you a quick overview. These items here are self-explanatory, and hopefully you will find XL Toolbox a very powerful tool. Thank you for watching.